Hey Primary 5 Math Prodigies, this is Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery, and today we're going to go into the final question, which is question number 5 of your math assessment paper 2, which is on triangles. And the question looks a bit like this. So the figure is made up of identical. What does identical means? It means same or similar or exactly the same as the other one. So triangles. What is the area of the figure? So as you can see, they are giving you two measurements. One is 16 cm and the other is 9 cm. Now at first, this might look a bit daunting, might look a bit scary. But what you will realize once I show you how to do this is it's pretty simple, okay? So I'm going to draw this out on our handy dandy notebook, okay? So here's our notebook. I'm going to draw this out for you. Okay, let's draw this exactly the way they've drawn it. Okay, one over here, then you have one more line over here, and we have one. Okay, it's not exactly the same. Okay, 2, 3, 4. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I right? 1, 2, 3, and then we have one more line in the middle, if I'm not mistaken. Let me take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, I'm right. I'm always right, aren't I? Okay, and then we draw one line smack in the middle, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 14. Is that the correct one? I think 16, right? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's correct. So it's 14. And they told you that these are all identical triangles, which means they are all the same, which means they all have what? They all have the same bases and they all have the same heights. And in this case, it is 16 cm. Am I right? Yes. And in this case, the height is actually 9 cm. Now, I want you to notice one thing. Let's take this figure as a triangle, as a set of triangles rather than looking at it as a big figure. So let's take example this one. The triangle here. What is the base of this triangle? Let me ask you, what is the base of this triangle? How do we do this? I don't know. Let's try this, okay? Let's see what we are made of here. 16 cm is actually 1, then we have 2, then we have 3, and we have 4. We have 4 bases. Wow, we have 4 bases, and 4 bases gives us 6 units. Interesting. So 4 bases gives us 16 cm, sorry, equals to 16 cm. Therefore, one base will give us what? 16 divided by 4. And hence we will get 4 cm. That means the base of each triangle, in this case this first triangle, is actually 4 cm. Very simple. Okay, now we got that part now. How is that important? Because it also tells us that on this right hand side, this is actually 9 cm. But what is the height of this triangle, this one that we are looking for? The height of this triangle we don't know, yes. But we also know that this is made up of 2 similar triangles, which means that this measurement over here and this measurement over here is actually the same. Which, wait a minute. If 2 heights is equal to 9 cm, that means one height is just divided by 2, and you will get 4.5 cm. So the working is 2 heights is equals to 9 cm, and hence one height gives you what? 4.5 cm. And the question is asking you for what is the area of the figure. So let's find out the area of one triangle first off. The area of one triangle is actually equals to half times base times height, which is what's the base? The base is 4 cm, and what's the height? The height is 4.5 cm. So we cancel this 2. Half of 4 gives you 2. 2 times 4.5 gives you 9. 9 cm what? Cm squared. So this is the area of one triangle. So are we done? No, we are not. How many triangles are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 triangles. So if one triangle is 9 cm squared, what is 14? Simply 9 times 14 cm squared, no sorry, 9 cm squared times 14 is going to give me, let's take out our handy dandy calculator. So 9 times 14 is going to give you the answer of 126 cm squared, and that is the final answer. So if you are very observant enough, if you take a look and don't get panicked the moment you see something like this, and breathe and look closer, you will actually find out that this question is pretty simple. Okay, so again, like I said, why do I always say this is simple? Because I've had tons of practice, and I want you to have practice as well. But that does not mean when you copy down the answers you just memorize it. I don't want you to memorize it. You understand that part? Okay, all I want you to do is I want you to understand how to do this, how to do questions like this, so that when another one comes up, it's very simple. Okay, so remember, the quote of the week is, the more I practice, the easier it gets. With that, this is Coach Saiful signing off. You are a math prodigy. Good job.